Hey everybody, I think a common misconception that realtors, buyers, or even new loan officers or lenders actually have is that all pre-approvals are the same, but they're not, because some lenders, and I think this is where realtors kind of like put down on what a pre-approval letter is because some lenders, they're going to provide that pre-approval letter without doing any verification or any validation. While other lenders, the really good ones, they're going to be taking a full loan application, validating and verifying everything up front, except for probably being able to do the appraisal because you're not actually into a ratified contract. But they're going to be doing a lot of work to make sure that pre-approval letter means something. And that's why I want to encourage you to understand that not all pre-approval letters are the same. And so that's one of the main questions that you should be asking your lender is, when I go through a pre-approval process with you, what does that mean? What are you going to do to make sure that my pre-approval letter is strong? And so that's something that you should be encouraged to ask your lender, because if they say, hey, don't worry about it, just let me know what you want and I'll draft up a pre-approval letter and give it to you right away, I encourage you, turn around and run away, because that letter is useless. And then, you don't know. The last thing you want is to go at, 2 days before closing and your loan falls through because the work wasn't done appropriately at the very beginning, which happened to one of our clients where they were going with a different lender. And then 2 days before closing, literally 2 days, they found out that the loan was going to fall through because that lender did not validate and verify in advance all the way until 2 days before closing that they didn't have the proper source of funds for a down payment. That could have been all avoided if it was done correctly. So they came to us, we saved the file, and they were able to purchase the house. But those are things that's unnecessary stress that you don't want to go through. So make sure that you find a lender that's going to appropriately pre-approve you. Especially, the main thing should be that they're going to pre-underwrite your entire file. So you're going to want to find a lender that's going to be pre-underwriting your file for a pre-approval. So if you are looking for someone like that in the 15 states that we are licensed in, feel free to click the link below and then start your process with us today with a pre-qualification all the way through the pre-approval, pre-underwriting. And then, if you are looking for a video on explaining what actually a pre-underwriting is, then follow along by subscribing. And then I'm going to be posting a video very shortly explaining exactly what pre-underwriting is. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and ask me, and then I'll try my best to answer them. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.